Hi guys, Guillermo is here. Welcome back to the Revit architectural training tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create legends and its parameters. Let's begin. Legend views are used to provide information about the components in your model. For example, you may wish to create a window types legend which shows all the different types of windows in your project. Other legends you may create could include door types, ceiling types, a furniture key, and so on. To create a legend, switch to the View menu and hit the Legends button. You need to choose Legend from the drop-down that appears. You will now see the new Legend View panel. Go ahead and name your new legend. You can also choose the scale for your legend now. The scale can be changed at any point in the future. So now we have a blank legend view. We now need to add the representations of our windows onto it. We do this by adding legend components. Switch to the Annotate menu and choose the Component drop-down menu. From the drop-down, choose Legend Component. Once you choose Legend Component from the drop-down menu, the options bar will change to give you the tools you need to do so. The Family Selector. This is a drop-down of all the families in your current project that can be placed on your legend view as a legend component. The View Selector. The options that it presents will change depending on the family you select. For example, if you're going to place a wall type component, you will have the choice of Plan Viewer section. For other components, it may be elevation front, elevation rear, etc. Host length. How long do you want the segment to be? So let's go ahead and add our window types. Click on the Family Selector in the options bar and scroll down to find the group of windows. Choose a window type to add to your legend view. You can now choose whether you want to see the window in plan, from the front or the back. I'm going to choose to see mine from the front. Now simply click to place the legend component onto the legend view. You now need to repeat for each legend component that you wish to add, obviously changing the family in the drop-down Family Selector on the options bar, for each one. Once you have added the legend components to the view, you can then start improving it as required. Also, note how you can add dimensions to the elements. I have added dimensions to my legend components to show their widths. Your legend is listed under the Legends group in the project browser. Unlike many view types, you are free to place each legend view on as many different sheets as you need. For example, we could place our window types legend view onto every sheet that shows an exterior elevation.